Take off. Take off. She took off the lid of the iPad box. She took off the lid to check the food inside. Peel off. Peel off. He opened the pack by peeling off the cover. I'm peeling off the label from the bottle. Scoop out. Scoop out. She scoops out some cream from the container. He scooped out the seeds from the pumpkin. Twist off. Twist off. Twist off the cap before pouring the milk. She twisted off the toothpaste cap. Screw in. Screw in. He screwed in the new light bulb. He screwed in the screws with a screwdriver. Pop out. Pop out. He popped out a tablet into his hand. The button popped out of his shirt. Pull out. Pull out. He pulled out the drawer slowly. She pulled out a tissue paper from the box. Tear open. Tear open. He tore open the bag of chips. He tore open the gift wrap excitedly. Push in. Push in. He pushed in the drawer to close it. She pushed in the chair under the table. Drop in. Drop in. Drop in some sugar cubes, please. I dropped in a spoon of tea leaves into the mug. Pull apart. Pull apart. She pulled apart the sandwich to share it. She pulled apart the curtains to let the sunlight in. Shake up. Shake up. He shook up the protein shake before drinking. I shook up the medicine well. Turn over. Turn over. He turned over the pancake in the pan. She turned over the page of the book. Squeeze out. Squeeze out. He squeezed out some lemon juice. She squeezed out the toothpaste onto her brush. Roll up. Roll up. She rolled up the yoga mat after class. He rolled up his sleeves before washing dishes. Roll out. Roll out. I rolled out the yoga mat before class. She rolled out the dough for cookies. Stick on. Stick on. He is sticking on a label to the perfume. The kids stuck on stickers to their notebooks. Button up. Button up. She buttoned up her shirt before going to work. I quickly buttoned up my shirt and went out. Buckle up. Buckle up. Don't forget to buckle up before driving. The pilot told everyone to buckle up for takeoff. Tie up. Tie up. She tied up her hair with a clip. She tied up the gift box with ribbon. Tuck in. Tuck in. He tucked in his shirt before leaving. I tucked in the bedsheet corners. Wring out. Wring out. She wrung out the clothes after washing. Please wring out the mop before using it. Lace up. Lace up. He laced up his shoes before running. He laces up his boots before going to the office. Slick back. Slick back. He slicks back his hair with his hand. She slicks back her hair with a comb. Pick up. Pick up. She picked up the keys from the desk. He packed up the pizza box from the floor. Put down. Put down. I put down the keys on the table. She puts down the cake plate on the tray. Hang up. Hang up. He hung up his coat in the closet. She hung up the keys by the door. Take down. Take down. She took down the white shirt from the hanger. He took down the curtains for washing. Put in. Put in. They put in the vegetables into the fridge. He put in the money into his wallet. Take out. Take out. He took out the package from the box. She took out her card from the purse. Spread out. Spread out. He spread out the tablecloth on the table. She spread out a blanket for the school picnic. Hand over. Hand over. She handed over the keys to his husband. He handed over the parcel to the customer. Put up. Put up. He put up a picture on the wall. He put up the notice on the board. Peek over. Peek over. She peeked over the wall to see who was calling. He peeked over the fence of the garden. Light up. Light up. He lit up a candle when the power went out. She lit up the stove to cook dinner. Put out. Put out. No smoking here. Put out your cigarette. The firefighter put out the fire in the field. Cross out. Cross out. I crossed out the mistakes in my notebook. I crossed out the items I had already bought. Boil over. Boil over. The milk is boiling over the pot. Turn down the heat. The rice water boiled over onto the stove. Dust off. Dust off. He dusted off the dust from his coat. He dusted off his guitar and played a song. Scrape off. Scrape off. He is scraping the snow off his car. The painter scraping off the old paint. Blow out. Blow out. He blew out the candles on her birthday cake. Blow out the dust from the table. Step on. Step on. I accidentally stepped on the toy car and it broke. He stepped on a nail while walking barefoot.